We have a malfunctioning girlfriend appliance. We have a malfunctioning girlfriend appliance. This one has just stopped doing her girlfriend duties. She has a uterus and she has decided to stop cleaning. So, malfunctioning girlfriend. So she posted in the vent subreddit. She posted the same thing over in the relationship subreddit. She says, I stopped cleaning and doing all of the mental load, and my partner is now fuming. She says, I have some background in my previous post, so I'm not going to go into too much detail now. I'm 30 and he's 37, together almost 3 years and living together for 2 years now. I do the appointments on our cars, maintenance, yard work, cleaning, laundry, mopping, hoovering, cooking, groceries, and overall planning of our lives and what we need and what needs to be done. I also pay all the bills and handle finances, though we contribute 50-50 financially. He occasionally, once a month, cooks one meal, sometimes empties the dishwasher. We just recently had another discussion of the housework, and I asked him to take on more of it. He said, of course. In the past days, he started doing even less. I was hoovering, cleaning, making dinner, and all that while he was watching TV or playing on the computer. This happens a lot. He will peel the potatoes or take the carpets outside if I ask him, but nothing more. So I went on strike. I had been sitting in our bedroom just relaxing. He was supposed to handle our car's maintenance appointment, so he came to me and said, should I call them now and get the appointment? I said, however you want to. He said, if I get the appointment now, you will have to pick me up. I said, okay, let me know then. He got mad and left. A couple of days before my strike, this is what kind of broke the camel's back, I asked him to make me a shopping list before I left. He sat with his phone and kept asking me, what do we need? I kept saying, I don't know, maybe check. He kept constantly asking what else, and I told him to stop using my brain for this. So in the end, he only added 5 to 6 items on the list. Most of them were for himself. Snacks. I'm so over and done with this BS of not handling not only my life, but my business and also his life. He takes zero responsibility for anything and now has the audacity to get angry with me. I'm so pissed right now. Also, our house looks like our house looks disgusting now after just 2 days of striking. She posted an update. She says, he came home, the kitchen being a mess, trash overflowing, and just general untidiness. He went to take a nap instead. He is asking me what's wrong and why I am acting the way I am. I'm honestly just done explaining the most obvious to him over and over again. He doesn't seem to get it. The house looks like a pigsty right now, and he doesn't lift a finger to do anything about it, but has the audacity to ask me what's wrong. What the hell, man? What is wrong with this person, honestly? He won't clean, won't take responsibility for anything, and he won't even F me. I don't know what I am. I just feel like a sugar mama or something. This is the first post where she gives some background information. She says, I run a successful business which I built from the ground up, and he joined this business as supposedly an equal partner. In this business type, I own 100% of it, and this can't be shared because it's a one-person business from a legal aspect. We share the money equally towards bills, food, etc., and each of us has our own personal fund money, equally shared. I run everything in the business, the contracts, supplies, maintenance, day-to-day managing, finances, all the mental labor of it, and more demanding physical aspects like meetings, emergencies, bookkeeping. The day-to-day labor is 1 hour for him, 2 hours for me. During our busiest time is more or less 50-50. In our private life also, I do the cooking, so we already talked about that. The cooking, hoovering, mopping, organizing, grocery shopping, pay the bills, manage private finances, handle insurance, maintenance of the house, larger purchases, appointments, general cleaning. He makes dinner maybe once a month, empties the dishwasher perhaps a couple of times a week. Now it's been a week since the last time. I've asked him to take care of things X, Y, and Z and ask him nicely, gently. I have cried. I have begged. He says okay. He says he will. He does it. And worst of all, we don't have sex. Not because I don't want to or try. He won't initiate. And if I do, I get obvious pity sex or just so you'll stop complaining about it sex. I have cried to him about this many times. 4 weeks ago was the last time. He says he wants me and is attracted to me, but no matter if I'm naked, dressed sexy, etc., nothing will happen. It's been 11 days since the last time. He only initiates when I'm sad, angry, and frustrated with him. 4 weeks ago, when we had a fight about lack of sex, the next day he initiated when we went to bed by grabbing my boobs and butt. The sex is okay. It scratches the itch, but not fulfilling because he is not so into it. This just hurts. We've been on extended holiday for 3 months now, low season in our business, and we have sex maybe twice a month. We had a fight recently where he said he feels like my employee as I speak to him like he is. I pointed out that I feel like his mother or a manager. I said, I don't mind asking, but I shouldn't have to ask for you to do basic things when we've been living together for 2 years now. He said he'll do more around the house. It's been 4 days and somehow he's doing even less. So that is the background of it. She is the owner of the business, and I found out in the comments she actually owns the home that they live in. So if she were to break up with him, he would be homeless and jobless. This is where I was tagged in. M3142 says girlfriend appliance is malfunctioning. She's malfunctioning because she actually has feelings and needs, and she has decided to go on strike. So her appliance duties they're falling to the wayside, because how dare you not clean up on top of being the one that owns the home and the business. This is a bad girlfriend appliance, and I don't know what she is going to do about this. It does sound like she is fed up to here. We'll see how this works out though. Tom asked the question, does he know all the things you do? Not defending him at all, but maybe he just doesn't have a clue about all the things that need to be done around the house. Has he ever lived by himself? And she said he was living alone 4 or 5 years before we even met. At the time, his apartment was tidy whenever I visited. Keep in mind, this is a 39-year-old man. Yes, he knows how to keep his own apartment tidy. Tom says, that's strange. Do you think it's intentional at this point? Like weaponized incompetence? And she says, I'm thinking so, some type of manipulation or something. Why is this man saying, that's strange? How peculiar. I got it wrong. He's 37, still old enough to know how to cook and clean and keep things generally tidy and how to grocery shop. That is, that's old enough. Dear Parsnip says, what does he actually contribute to your life? If you walked away tomorrow, what would you miss about him? Maybe you need to separate so he learns how to adult. And she says, well, honestly, perhaps just his company, but even that is getting diminished by the mayhem he is causing. I was just rethinking the last time I deep cleaned the house, and I told him I'd like us to just upkeep this level from now on. It didn't even last 2 days. I couldn't keep up with the cleaning myself because of the amount of mess that keeps piling up was only picked up by me. I think the next time I'm cleaning is when he's out of my house so I can start fresh. She said when he is out of my house. She is already contemplating in her brain that she is about to kick this man out. Brutally Honest Peep says he doesn't want a partner. He wants a mommy bang maid. I would start getting things together to leave. And she says, I wish he'd bang me. The cherry on top, we don't even have sex unless I initiate. And even then, it's more like pity sex. I'm so embarrassed and pathetic right now. She's wow. She says, so no bang, but yes to mommy maid. You guys are not compatible. You're not asking for much. A partnership should be 50-50. Quad Tricep says, are you renting or owning? Better yet, is your partner capable of taking care of the apartment and his own business when you're gone? He sees you doing the work as an automation and perhaps as an excuse to use his brain for something else instead. In this case, is video games, nothing productive. It doesn't help him in doing what he should to be a good partner, let alone a functioning citizen. I'm just going to skip to the bottom where she answered the question. She says, so the house is mine, owning, and the business is mine. He doesn't have shares, but he contributes to the labor within the company. Without me, he doesn't have a job or a place to live. So basically, this man needs to get it together because she is already thinking about leaving him, and leaving him would leave him homeless and jobless. So he needs to get it together. But this woman is fed up to here. Let me know what you think of this malfunctioning girlfriend appliance. Like, comment, share.